wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we are testing out what is new at E.L.F. What have they cooked up for the holiday season. Shout out to E.L.F. for sponsoring today's video and letting me test out some of these new goodies. If you guys want to see what I picked up, see what my thoughts are on some of this stuff, then let's go. So the first two things I have are actually tools. I almost said utensils, but they're actually makeup tools, which this is a good time of year to pick those up if you need any from E.L.F. because they make really good like holiday sets on their brushes, sponges. What are other makeup tools? I don't know, lash curler, stuff like that. They always usually put together cute little sets. So I have two. First, I picked up a new sponge because they make good makeup sponges. It is the angled silicone face sponge. So I'll pull it out later, but it's like slanted on this side. So I'm gonna use that with like foundation and concealer. And it's probably like most exciting, I got a brush set. I'm telling y'all, this is the time of the year to get it. Like, first of all, the packaging. It looks like all the way around, and then this is the Embellished 9-piece brush set, so $43 value for $20, and it looks like it's got face and eyeshadow brush, and I have an eyeshadow palette, so yes, let's see, and I've got an eyeshadow palette to test out with it. This is the hot chocolate eye. See, I'm telling you, the holiday packaging. Let me see what the actual palette looks like. I haven't done green eyeshadow in a minute. And I mean, why not? I mean, it's the holiday season, so why not give a little holiday look? Let's jump into this. So there's this angled brush that I definitely could have used when lining my brows, but I see these flat brushes for eyeshadow. So there's concealer, there's eyeshadow flat, so I'll use this on the lid shades, and then this blending brush. So let me use this blending brush. So I'm gonna start out with this shade, this brown one, in between the green and the brown as a like transition, just putting it a base down color, and just apply that up here. Actually, just apply it all over my eye. Again, it's like a base shade. And then this shade more in my crease, this one next to the green, a little more down here. This brown shade in my outer corner. Start out here and then take that into my crease. And then switch to this flat brush to apply this green shade. And that is the lid shade. So there's a retractable kabuki brush in the set. I'm gonna use this and the sponge applying foundation today. So use the bottom, on the face, and then the slanted on powder. And probably what I was most excited about opening is, can't see it, is this right here. Remember I did a video on how they've got some of the best like affordable priced glosses out there. It's a whole set. It's the Naughty and Ice Lip Gloss Vault. Look at the shades in there. I also picked up this. It's their glossy lip stain. I don't believe I've tried this formula before. I don't believe so. And it looks like this. It's pretty neutral, natural color type glow. Oh, so I don't know what to do now for my lips, because you know I did the red on the bottom lash line, so you know I'm trying to stick with this whole holiday theme, but I see like multiple colors in here. I don't want to try it. Kind of want to see what these two together would give me. So this is Moody and this is Peach Bellini. Okay, let's start out with this one. That one. And then this one. And then I'm gonna top it with this one. Yes, I really will wear that many lip colors. Y'all should know that about me by now. And that is it for my face today. I feel like this is another holiday makeup look example. Thoughts on the stuff that I tried out in the video, like nothing is new, literally nothing. They're just, you know, like new arrivals, you know, new holiday kits, stuff like that. Like I said, I already have the video on the glosses. Hello. These glosses, the colors, yes. The brushes, mind you, if you remember not too long ago, I did like a whole video on drugstore brands to be on the lookout for in 2021. E.L.F was one of those. The eyeshadow is not new to me, it's just a different variation of it. So it really boils down to if you see it, you like it. I'm letting you know right now, especially out of everything that I tried, this lip vault, is that what it was called? This lip vaults and the brush set, definitely something to pick up. Could be a really good gift for the holiday, depending on when you see this video. Could also be a gift to get yourself after you picked up those gift cards to go treat yourself. Those two, absolutely. If anything, the sponge, I guess, is what was new-ish to me, and I like the sponge. I like the feel of the sponge because I felt like when it was bouncing on my skin, like it was bouncing back at me. You know, like it had enough sturdiness where it's not like rock hard bouncing on the face, but you know, like get a little, I don't know if that actually does anything, but I just liked how that felt on. So those are all the things I tried. The eyeshadow, the lip gloss. Oh, the lip stain was also new to me. I like that color of it. Like it's a nice topper color. You know, it kind of blends in with my skin tone there. So if you're looking, you know, if you use me as a shade reference, if you're looking for a, you know, lip stain that's going to kind of blend in to just give you a natural look on the lips, but you just want product on there, I would definitely recommend. Did I say the color? It is in the shade Cinnamon Dreams. And yeah, y'all, everything that I use will be linked in the description down below for you to go shop. Let me know in the comments if you checked out anything else from them for the holidays, because they also launch a lot during this time of the year. New launches, new holiday sets, stuff like that. So let me know all of that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.